Welcome to Mukhlis Trading Academy. Get ready to explore a powerful project in the blockchain space that could offer serious potential. Let's dive into NKN Coin. About NKN and community. NKN, new kind of network, is focused on decentralizing network connectivity. It's like a peer-to-peer version of the internet, secure, efficient, and truly open. The NKN community is active, global, and constantly growing, with strong backing and real use cases in Web3 and IoT. Powered by blockchain and technology. NKN runs on its own public blockchain with millions of nodes, the largest blockchain network in the world by node count. It uses the novel MOCA consensus algorithm, supporting high-speed and scalable peer-to-peer communication. Future plans and roadmap. Upcoming milestones include expansion of enterprise integrations, enhanced developer tools, more real-world deployments of dApps, strengthening its role in decentralized data delivery. The roadmap shows consistent development and commitment to innovation. Participants and supporters. NKN is supported by top industry names including Coinbase Ventures and NGC Ventures. It's also listed on major exchanges and integrated into various Web3 platforms. Price prediction and investment potential. NKN has shown resilience during market cycles. Analysts speculate that with growing Web3 demand, it could reach 3x-5 IPEX in a strong bull run. It's currently undervalued compared to other infrastructure projects. Final thoughts and current opportunity. With a live network, real-world use cases, and increasing demand for decentralized internet solutions, NKN presents a real opportunity, especially while prices remain low. Do your own research, but it's one to watch closely. Thanks for watching. Comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.